Hello, welcome to Lit Talks. Under the subject Survey of Afro-Asian Literature, we have The Sound of the Birds at Noon by Dahlia, Ravikovitch. This modern Hebrew poem is characterized by its unsettling contrast between a mundane, natural sound and an overwhelming sense of violence and pervasive evil. The poem conveys the emotional terror and helplessness experienced by the innocent bystander who is scarred by the knowledge of suffering. Ravikovitch uses direct yet intensely lyrical language to merge the private realm of emotional pain with the public reality of conflict and trauma. The speaker's observation of the mundane sounds of the birds provide a stark, unsettling contrast to the internalized terror that permeates the text. The poem explores the difficulty of integrating a shocking, painful event into normal consciousness, often focusing on the feeling of helplessness and the breakdown of sensory reality. The work gives voice to the collective and personal scars left by conflict and injustice. That's all. Thank you for listening.